Hello. Uptown Swing.
Level 4.
All the outs.
Brian Val.
That is us.
Yeah. We did roll out.
Yeah. Did you get into it with a circle?
Ba, ba, doo, doo,
This
ba,
was mostly a reminder. Roundy. Zip.
ba, da.
Ba, ba, ba.
And we did that with a little grooving.
Channel
Kevin
your
Wang.
inner Kevin Wang.
Yeah. He does those take-ins
Hey.
so much.
Ha. Hey.
Ba, doo,
Ha.
bo, doo.
Roundy and a triple and a and you had to figure out how to get out of it.
Ba. And then pop out.
Pop out. The other out.
The
Hey.
out.
Ha. Hey. Ring. Zip. Hey. Ah.
Then a barrel roll.
A barrel roll.
Hold
Spin
well,
that
fit my
skirt.
skirt. And it
Hey.
was like
Ha.
this.
Hey, ha, around the and a through, wop, bye bye.
And then that with a pop out.
Hey,
Ba, ba,
ha,
dooby doo, ba,
hey,
ba, dooby doo.
around the and a zip, hey, ah.
And that's what we did.